My name is Tony Hanley. I'm the Managing Director of Firepro UK. We're the licensed distributors of the Firepro product for UK and Ireland. We have around about 40 trained, third-party accredited, competent installers. A fire suppression system should only release when there is a confirmed fire event, or when somebody specifically that's authorised, trained and knows what they're doing manually releases the suppression system. So part of the message today is that a fire system specialist, and a competent one, will have the tools to engineer a solution that will provide as much intervention as possible and the appropriate fire solution suited to the risk. The hierarchy should be built on a means of intervention, and that means of intervention should actually put in place as many points as possible that gives the user of the system the flexibility to understand what it is they've got, why it's there, and when to release the suppression. And the purpose of an air sampling system is to actually give you early intervention, way before a point smoke detector goes off, 30 times to be precise. From this early warning, you can do lots of different things. So you don't have to evacuate the premises, because at the moment we've only got a smouldering cable. You need to go and investigate it. You need to go and find out what's happening. And more to the point, once you've found out what's happening, you need to do something about it. This is Firepro. This is condensed aerosol technology. There is no pipe, there's no cylinders, there's no water, there's no gas, and there's no powder. That's a hospital sterilisation machine. After a fire looked like this. The fire actually prompted the hospital to have a look at, to say, well, we don't want this to happen again. Firepro was installed. It did happen again 7 months later, and it happened again, and although the image is not that clear, you can see that the difference between the charred bit on the left-hand side together with all of the cables that are still intact. You can see how this early intervention works. Nice part about this was it was engineered by a fire system specialist that got it all right. Why? Because number one is the minute that the linear heat detection cable activated, the power to the machine was shut down. By removing the power, you take away the energy. Number two, it signalled the house fire alarm system, which in turn signalled the fire brigade. It shut the automatic doors in the room where the sterilisation machines were. It also shut down the air conditioning, and it signalled the BMS system, and it released the Firepro all at the same time. Firepro is not the panacea to every risk. Not here to claim that it is. There are trade-offs. It has a place in the market for active fire suppression. The modularity allows us to protect a very small space up to a large room. We can go in risers, cupboards, voids, machinery, diesel generators, or electrical switchgear. I want to say thank you ever so much for your attention. Thank you for your time. I hope it's been informative, and I hope you've got something from it. And I hope it's prompted you to think about early warning, hierarchy of intervention, use detection, use the technology, and the right suppression system medium. Thanks very much.